today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a quick tutorial on how to make a 5-petal flowers. These are the flowers that I made, and it's very easy, and it was made of acrylic yarn, which is a baby yarn number 3, and yeah, this is a 5-petal one and very pretty. You can use it to embellish your bag or your clothing, or you can make a headband with it. You can use it for almost everything. Okay, I am going to use the size B 2.25mm crochet hook and the pink color yarn, which is a baby sports weight yarn. And okay, to begin, make a magic ring. To me, I am doing my own magic ring because I want it to be more secured. So to make a magic ring, wrap around yarn on your finger twice. Okay, and then into the magic ring, make a chain 1 and make 10 single crochet into the magic ring. The chain 1 is not included for the counting, so make 10 single crochet. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I have 10 single crochet. To close the ring, okay, I hope you can see this. It's blurry, clear. Okay, to close the ring, if you see these two yarns here, okay, one is in the inside and one is on the outside. So we are going to pull the inside slightly, pull it halfway. Okay, and now we are going to pull the tail. This is the tail. Okay, pull this tight. Alright, now the ring is secured, and now we are going to work for the petal. So insert hook into the first single, pull up yarn. Okay, this tail I am going to crochet along, so I don't need to go back to hide it later. So make a chain 2 and then make 4 double crochet into the next single. So this is the next single. We are going to make 4 double crochet there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make a chain 2, and into the next single we are going to slip stitch. Okay, and then make chain 2 and make 4 double crochet into the next single. 1, 2, 3, 4, and chain 2, slip stitch into the next, and then chain 2, and into the next make 4 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, and then chain 2, slip stitch into the next single, and then chain 2, make 4 double into the next, chain 2, slip stitch into the next, and then chain 2, 4 double into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, and then slip stitch into the first, chain 2 at the bottom of the first, chain 2, then cut the yarn, now we have the 5 petal flower. Okay, very nice and pretty, quick to finish, and yeah, you can use it to embellish your hat, the baby hat that you are making, or the baby clothing that you are crocheting. Either you can add a button in the middle or a pearl, or you can just leave it like that, or put a mini satin ribbon there in the middle also. So okay, that's it. We're finished, guys, and thank you for joining me, and see you again for the next video.